Alright, picture this. It's a calm evening in May. Pedestrian X is out for a late-night walk with his dog along Preston Point Road. Seems like an ordinary night, right? But this story is about to take a turn, and not in a good way. A car, a tragic accident, and a courtroom showdown that ends with a payout of over $180,000. Yeah, this is a real case, and it's about to get intense. So, here's how it begins. It's just after 10 at night, and Pedestrian X is crossing the road with his dog. Along comes the driver in her Holden Commodore. She's driving 55 kilometers per hour in a 50 zone, just 5 kilometers over the limit. Not a big deal, right? Well, hold on to that thought. The driver doesn't see Pedestrian X in time. Boom. The collision happens. There are no witnesses, no cameras, just the aftermath and the experts trying to piece it all together. They dig into the details, visibility, road conditions, speed, and whether the driver could have reacted fast enough. Here's where things get technical. The scene was lit by a streetlight, and experts later found that Pedestrian X should have been visible from 40 to 60 meters away. That's more than enough distance for the driver to stop, but she didn't. The driver claimed her view was obstructed by the car's bonnet and a slight incline on the road. The court, not buying it. They said she should have seen Pedestrian X and avoided the accident. But wait, what about Pedestrian X's role in all this? Well, he wasn't exactly being cautious either. He was crossing diagonally, wearing dark clothing, and had a blood alcohol level of 0.1%. That's not off the charts, but it raised a question. Was he impaired? The court didn't have solid evidence to prove that alcohol played a big role, but they acknowledged it might have been a factor. In the end, the court split the blame. 2/3 on the driver for not keeping a proper lookout, and 1/3 on Pedestrian X for not being more careful. Now, let's talk compensation. Pedestrian X's family, his partner and their 2 kids, relied entirely on Centrelink benefits. The court calculated the total amount owed for financial support and services at $254,250.40. But remember, Pedestrian X was found 1/3 responsible, so the payout was reduced. In the end, Pedestrian X's partner received $169,500. Their eldest son was awarded $4,056, and the younger son received $10,056. But wait, there's a twist. There was an existing trust fund from a previous criminal injuries compensation claim. After covering funeral expenses, just over $9,000 from that fund was paid to the partner. But the court didn't see this as a big deal, just a side note in the larger picture of the compensation. So, what's the lesson here? Road safety goes both ways. The driver was speeding and should have been more alert, but Pedestrian X wasn't exactly playing it safe either. The court made it clear, everyone on the road, whether walking or driving, needs to stay sharp. In the end, a late-night dog walk led to a tragic accident and a courtroom battle. But if this case shows anything, it's that even the smallest choices, like wearing dark clothes or speeding a little, can have life-changing consequences. Stay alert, stay safe, and always be aware of your surroundings. You never know when things might take a turn. So, there you have it. Pedestrian X, a tragic accident, and a 6-figure payout. What do you think? Was the blame shared fairly, or could it have gone another way? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and next time you're out on the road, whether you're driving or walking, maybe take an extra second to look around and keep an eye out, because sometimes even the smallest things can change everything.